We are at Ace Group Limited at Intech 2026 Coimbatore. I'm here with Mr. Senthil Kumar, Joint Managing Director, PC Sons Castings Private Limited. Joining with me is Mr. R. Prabhakar, Director, Taurus Private Limited. Senthil sir,
Yes, sir.
you are purely into castings.
Yes.
So most of the machines which you use in your floor should be obviously milling and other types of machine. Which are the kind of machines which you use?
We predominantly use mostly turning centers and VMCs. And also we have got few VTLs as well. Yes, so that's what we use, and few balancing machines we use. Currently, Ace is already doing a very good job, and they've developed a lot of, particularly for foundry industry, they've developed various machines. And in this current scenario, the market trend, couple of reasons. In this current scenario, the labor issues, what we are facing currently. So we have asked Ace to produce high-speed machines and also higher productivity machines. And today they have introduced this dual turret machines, which seems to be quite an answer for that. Yes, for
What is the challenges which you face?
the industry demand is very huge, and we cannot able to cater it only because of a few reasons. One is the manpower, which we are not able to get, and also the higher productivity machines. That's the two challenges we are currently right now we are facing.
Prabhakar sir,
Yes.
how are you addressing the challenges which Mr. Senthil had just expressed?
One of the major problems was the availability of labor to run the machines. And so he prefers automation of the machines so that a guaranteed output is given. So in line with that, that's what we have exhibited in this exhibition. One is VTL with the Robo, and the new launch, the DTT 150, where the operations can be done in 2 spindles on a single machine. And when the component is being transferred, you don't need an operator, automatically the machine does it. And neither an external robo or a gantry is required. So fairly we are trying to address the challenges of the industry, and we are very keen to work with him on even other automation what he is asking. For example, the deburring machine, or with automated robo kind of machines. So certainly look forward to work with him, and I'll try to meet his challenges in the coming future.
Senthil sir, what is the kind of a casting equipments or components the market actually looks at?
We manufacture different kinds of casting. We manufacture for automotive industry, we manufacture for tractors, we manufacture for hydraulic power transmissions, we manufacture for wind also. All the designs are given by the customer. So we make for the customer, whatever the designs they've given.
Any words for your peer or similar companies, and giving an encouraging words about Ace to the industries?
So Ace is far ahead with their technology, and they're always innovating every time the new product, and they always listen to customers' need. As you said, I was talking to him, we said that these are the challenges we are facing currently in the foundry. So he said that definitely we can able to work together and come up with a solution, because that is what the industry needs. In this currently, this industry 4.0 needs more kind of an automation, increased productivity, higher rapid machines, and definitely I'm sure Ace is going to address us.
Thank you very much.